Welcome to the Interactive Broker's Complete Guide. In this video, we'll help you understand how to set up and start trading with Interactive Brokers in 2025. Let's begin by creating your Interactive Brokers account. Follow these steps to get started. Next, we will verify your identity and show you how to fund your account securely. Now, let's navigate the trading platform and explore its key features that make trading easier. Understanding different account types and their margin requirements is essential for managing your investments. Let's do a walkthrough of placing your first trade using various order types available on the platform. Equipped with the right tools and resources, you can effectively research stocks and market trends before trading. Protecting your investments is crucial. Let's discuss some risk management strategies to safeguard your capital. Do you want to trade on the go? Let's explore how to effectively use the ibkr app for mobile trading. Thank you for watching. Be sure to utilize the resources provided for your ongoing education and trading.